Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today we're going to unbox the Apple MacBook Air with the new M1 chip. So let's start the unboxing video. So here is the box of the MacBook Air, as you can see. So this is the space gray color. On the top we have the MacBook, here MacBook Air written, the Apple logo, and here on the back side we got some of its specification. So you can see it has 8 GB of memory, 256 GB of SSD, and it is a 13-inch MacBook Air. And here we have its model number as well. So nothing too much, and it weighs around 2.8 pounds. That's approximately 1.29 kg. So that's all on the box. So let me just open it. Here it is. So we have this pull tab for power cable. So this is a type C to type C power cable. As you can see, we got type C on both ends, and it is a pretty good length cable as well. Here we got some of the documentations as well, designed by Apple in California. So here we got two of our Apple stickers in the space gray color, not in the white, because it is a space gray version. And we got some documentation and a small booklet as well. MacBook Air, as you can see. And here we got the charger as well. So here we have the plug, and you can remove that plug as well as if you want. And we got its rating as well. Here you have your type C connector, as you can see, and here is the back side where we got all of our rating, if the camera can focus on it. So it is a 30-watt USB type C power adapter. And putting that all aside, here we have the actual MacBook Air itself with the M1 chip. So here is the full aluminum backside with no vent, and here is the top, and you can see it is a fingerprint magnet. And here is the side, it is quite thin. So here you got your two type C connectors, and on the right side you got your 3.5mm headphone jack as well. So that's all. So here we have the plastic wrapping, and as you can see, the laptop will boot up automatically. So I'm just going to set it up quickly and then I'm going to show you. So here we got our huge touchpad, we got our keyboard as you can see, and here on the top right we got our fingerprint scanner as well, or you can say your touch ID scanner. So unlike the MacBook Pros, you don't have that touch bar over here since it is a MacBook Air. And that's all for the unboxing video. Here you can see, so it's really light, again around 1.43 kg, and according to the reviews on YouTube, this is one of the most Apple's powerful laptop according to the price range. So here in Pakistan I got it for around 2 lakh rupees. In other countries the price may vary. So here it is, and this is was just a quick unboxing of the MacBook Air with the M1 chip in Pakistan. If you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching this video and stay safe.